The vibrant colors of the coral reef hide a complex ecosystem where every creature from the Great Migration is one of the planet's most spectacular sights, a timeless journey driven by instinct. The swallow's journey south is one of the most remarkable migrations on Earth, driven by an ancient instinct. Carved over millions of years, these canyons are a testament to the power of the winding river, a cradle of life on ancient Earth. In this dense undergrowth, survival depends on remaining unseen, a skill the ornate gecko has perfected. Basking in the intense warmth of the golden hour, the green iguana absorbs the sun's energy, a critical behavior for these cold-blooded creatures. As the golden hour approaches, the ghost crab begins its nightly scavenging, racing against the tide to find sustenance in the wet sand. The nudibranch mollusk, often called a sea slug, is known for its extraordinary colors and unique gills. The wolf spider, often mistaken for its hunting prowess, also crafts these intricate ground webs. As the tide recedes, a hidden world is revealed here. Clinging to the ancient granite, in the tranquil blue hour, the bear finds a moment of peace at the river's edge, its reflection perfectly mirrored in the still water. For millions of years, this apex predator has dominated the archipelago. With eyes sharper than any lens, the red-tailed hawk glides effortlessly on the thermal winds. Against the backdrop of the blizzard, the alpha leads its pack, a testament to life's endurance. As the sun sets, the migrating flocks navigate calm waters, a testament to the enduring rhythm of nature. From this vantage, the sheer scale of the ecosystem is breathtaking. A vibrant tapestry, the graceful koi, often symbols of luck and prosperity, navigate the gentle currents of their aquatic home. The Arctic, a realm defined by ice and resilience, where the spirit of the North endures. An intimate look at the flamingo underwater as it uses its distinctive downward curving beak to feed on the nutrient-rich sediment below. Here, amidst the vibrant colors of fall, the white-tailed deer ventures close, a testament to a thriving ecosystem. The immense power of the waterfall creates a constant mist, allowing this vibrant rainbow to form. These dramatic limestone formations are the result of millions of years of erosion, creating one of Earth's most unique landscapes. The 12 Apostles, towering sentinels, carved by the relentless Southern Ocean over millions of years. The iconic symmetry of Mount Fuji, reflected in the still waters, is a symbol of Japan's enduring natural beauty. The giant clam, the largest bivalve mollusk on Earth, slowly begins to close its massive shell for protection. The White Cliffs of Dhruva, standing sentinel at the edge of England, are a symbol of home for many returning travellers. Adorned with intricate leaf-like camouflage, The weedy sea dragon navigates the reefs. The frozen bison, a creature perfectly adapted to the most extreme cold, a true survivor of the wild. Reaching lengths of up to 60 feet, the whale shark is a gentle giant, feeding passively on the smallest creatures of the ocean. The intricate, braiding patterns of Iceland's glacial rivers are a stunning, ever-changing display of natural artistry. The green sea turtle gliding effortlessly is a symbol of the vibrant life found in our oceans. The Bengal tiger, one of the jungle's most elusive predators, rests in the midday sun, conserving energy for the hunt ahead. The sheer scale of Angel Falls is difficult to comprehend. The water plunges so far that much of it turns. The iconic red-eyed tree frog, a jewel of the rainforest. The Great Barrier Reef, a complex and vibrant ecosystem, teeming with life captured in stunning high definition. These vibrant, purple fields are home to the busy honeybee, seen here gathering the day's last nectar. As the sun sets on the savanna, the giraffe. This is the mantis shrimp, perhaps the most colorful resident of the reef, and a formidable predator despite its size. This stunning yet deadly turquoise lake sits within the caldera of one of the world's most active volcanoes. This is the Amazon rainforest, home to 1/10 of the world's known species.